All these pieces are cast iron. 40,000 pencil gray cast iron. And all those pieces on that retainer over there are the same. They're cast iron, 40,000. The setting tool isn't, but the retainer is.
So each plug gets 2 slips, 2 cones. You know, with retainers, the top cones are going to be different and the slip's going to be different. But the bridge plugs are always the same. The slip cone.
It's a 3-piece rubber. The center part of this rubber is softer than the outer part. So whenever the retainer sets, or the bridge plug sets, you want the rubber to start sealing right here. And it seals from here out on both sides. From the center out, and squeeze everything away from it. And then you got these you got these outer pieces that are harder, so they help enforce that rubber, and they make it stronger, and also more temperature. So that's how they're put together.
And then once you get that on there, it goes in reverse. It goes cone, slip.
Now you got to understand what this, let's explain to them what this is. This is called a lock ring. And it's got threads on the inside and threads on the outside. And there's threads on this mandrel that this fits on, and when you put this on there, because this is solid one, it just ratchets down over those threads. So that's what holds it and not let it come apart.
This piece right here is on all of our plugs, except for one that we build.
So you don't screw it all the way down in there. You put, and see, you ratchet down like that. Then you screw that down against the slip. And then you pin all this and it's together. This is a shear stud, and it has a groove in it that's cut to the specific depth to make it shear at a certain shear value. On the end of this, it's stamped on there. Got that. It's stamped the shear value and on the end of the shear stud. And this particular one, for these two, is the same length on both sides of the groove. But we have some that are longer on one side than they are the other side. And the long side comes up, sticks up out of the top of the plug, and the bottom side screws into the plug.
And this will screw in either way.
Yeah, it'll screw either way.
But the way we screw them in is with the writing on the top, so we could, so anybody can see what. Yeah.
And that screws down to where the groove is. We have had people, you know, in the past I've seen a lot of things. I've seen them screw these things in too far, and these top threads catch the threads in there, and then they don't want to shear it. So you want to know that shear that is put in there correctly. They should bottom out, leaving that groove open. Now, after you get this done, they'll go over there to that drill.
312 and above get the 3/16 roll pin. It just varies on which size gets the longer ones or not.
Roll pin.
Yeah.
Right. So
Yeah. Anything below that typically gets the 1/8 roll pin.
Okay, and there's 3 of them on there?
Yeah, there's 2 on the lock ring backup, 3 on and both cones.
Okay, now show them how you do this.
Here.